Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 24th till the 30th of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Cancer, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Cancer, let's see, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Ten of Wands. So this person is feeling this situation is making them feel very very heavy, very very burdensome, as if they are carrying the whole responsibility of this connection on their shoulders, and they're not able to take it anymore. It's like they are feeling like dropping this heavy and burdensome kind of energy. Maybe not the situation, but the taking too much on like on their shoulders, on their plate, you can say. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands as their feelings for this particular situation between you and them. We have the Page of Swords and the Eight of Swords. Oh my goodness, Ten of Swords. This person is feeling like they should get out of this situation and this chapter is over for them. Yep. They feel like distancing themselves from this situation, and they are no longer in any kind of confusion or any kind of mental jail or mental trap. Now they are feeling like this situation needs to go down because they have had enough and they cannot take it anymore. Okay. I don't think so this is like a permanent ending or separation that they are looking forward to have. But the for the timing, this person is feeling like shutting this situation down is going to be a very very good idea for them, for you, for this situation, because it's becoming too much for them to manage or handle. Cool. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Okay, there's this is Six of Pentacles in reverse. You are feeling like no matter how hard you are trying to balance the situation out, you are not able to do that. Maybe you have to balance between your career and this situation. So you might not be able to balance your personal or professional life, or this situation is altogether making you feel like very unstable, very ungrounded, and it's making you feel like this is not the way it should be. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Pentacles in reverse as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Cancer. We have the Temperance, the Chariot, and the Three of Wands. Yep, you are looking forward to have a way out of this situation slowly but surely, very very patiently. You are feeling like patience is the key. Not losing your mind, not losing your temper is the key. You feel like moving forward irrespective of whatever is happening in the situation, but not like drastically cutting this person out of your life and never looking back. You're looking forward to have that time where this situation is going to naturally dissolve, and you will be able to evolve, right? So you're looking forward to have that kind of energy where you are letting go of this person or this situation out of your system, out of your life, very very gradually. For some of you, you might be planning to shift somewhere else, like maybe different city or different maybe country, or you are feeling like your career is more important for you than this situation. So you feel like leaving the situation behind slowly and gradually, but there's a sense of this situation is not fitting with my life anymore, so I have to let it go, not drastically but eventually. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Justice. They want the balance. They want the justice on the table. They want nothing but the truth, the balance in the situation. For some of you, if you guys are going through courtroom drama or something, they want the rulings to be made in their favor. Let's clarify the justice as their intentions for this particular situation between you and them, Cancer. Okay, they're hurt, and they want nothing but the justice from the universe regarding the situation. So we have the Four of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So they want to hope and pray and heal and visualize the best possible outcome out of this situation, especially if you guys are married to each other or your families are involved or you guys are seriously committed with each other. This person wants to heal this situation between you and them and make it have the best possible outcome, like of commitment of long term partnership. Again, especially if you guys are married or committed to each other, and or you guys are having some kind of financial dependency on each other, not codependency. Okay, so they just want the best possible scenario out of this situation by praying to the universe, by doing whatever they can do, by letting you do whatever you can do in a proper way, so that both of you can create a really beautiful and magical bond together. Okay. So right now they feel like this is so difficult for them to move forward, so they're taking it as a failure. But their intention is to make things work out in a fair way, like both of you are equally interested and invested, and both of you are working things out with each other. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Cancer. Death. You want this to be over, don't you? Either you want the situation to be completely over, or you want to change something drastically in this situation, like drastic change, complete different outcome from this situation from what it is right now. Let's clarify the death as your intentions for this particular situation between you and this person. We have the Emperor, the Ace of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles. So basically, you want to keep the charge of this situation in your own hands, and you want to start or restart this chapter again with this person only after you are going to re-evaluate the situation from every possible angle, and you are going to understand that this is how it should go. It's a little bit of my way or highway kind of energy, not exactly that. It's not like you want to control each and everything in this person's life and you want to make it like a robotic connection or something, but you definitely want the situation to go according to how you are planning it to go, so that the shift that you want, the kind of relationship that you want is going to come to fruition, the outcome that you want. Okay. So you want a drastic shift or drastic change in your love and relationship area. And if this person is not capable of doing that with you or for you, you just want to let them go. This is intense, quite heavy. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 30th of August 2026, Cancer, for this week, for this situation. What could be the possible outcome for you guys, honey? So we have the Hermit, a long contemplation, like sitting with yourself, thinking about the situation, having long contemplation, like long and deep contemplation about what should we do and what we should not do, using all of your wisdom to understand the situation on a deeper level. Let's clarify the Hermit as the potential outcome for you guys, Cancer. Let's see. We have the Eight of Cups, the Six of Cups, the Four of Wands. Yes, you guys will be thinking a lot, especially you, Cancer. You guys will be thinking a lot about what to do about the situation. Should you completely walk away from the situation? Should you give this commitment, this relationship another chance, another shot? Because this is something that is really very, very close to your heart and soul, and you guys have a really beautiful history together. For some of you, you might be contemplating the idea of connecting with a past person, past energy by letting go of this person or this situation out of your life because this one is not working out and you had a connection with somebody in the past which was really beautiful, really meaningful, that has the potential to go somewhere. Maybe you were married or committed to somebody else in the past and things went down. And now you might be thinking or contemplating about reaching them out again. For those of you, if this is the same situation where you guys were very, very beautifully like connected to each other, you guys had a really, really strong connection, really beautiful energies, but now things are not working out, you guys will be thinking a lot about what to do next. Should you just walk away, or should you just let things be, or should you try to fix it? Take it how it resonates with you according to your situation, because there is going to be a lot of thinking about what to do next regarding this dynamics also, of course, regarding this dynamics only, which might or might not include a past person, past energy, according to your situation, according to your uh, current reality. Take it how it resonates with you, huh? Let's see the guidance for you guys here for this week, for this situation, Cancer. We have the Death card, the Seven of Swords, and King of Cups. Stop playing games with yourself, Cancer. Stop lying to yourself continuously. The moment you are going to end being deceptive, being dishonest, being disloyal with yourself, that is going to be the exact moment when you will be able to feel at peace. You are going to feel emotionally grounded, emotionally rooted in your energies. If you're going to continuously make you like lie to yourself, like I'm okay, I still love this person, even if you have outgrown them, or the vice versa, or you are going to continuously trying to fix something that you cannot fix or do anything about, or you are continuously trying to control some kind of outcomes in your life that you cannot. The moment you are going to stop being deceptive, being dishonest with yourself, that is going to lead to a lot of peace and lot of groundedness in your life, Cancer, because right now you are creating more painful energies around you than required. All you have to do is to be 100% blunt and honest towards your own feelings, towards your own energies, towards what you like and what you don't like, and what to do and what not to do. Blunt and honest energies are required from your side in order to be at peace. Uncomfortable, yes. Difficult to deal with, yes. They might shake your energies up, yes, but it is mandatory and it is required. Until unless you guys are going to do this, nothing is going to shift or change in your energies. Now up to you. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cancer. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. So the answer to your question is let go. Let me see. Let go, yes. At first glance, this card might seem to be suggesting that you give up your current pursuit, but that is not the message. Instead, it suggests that you let go of your attachment to the subject of your question and cease clinging, striving, and grasping. The let go card asks you to learn to love with an open hand, let universal flow come and go as it desires, and trust all is for your highest good. Something that is held and squeezed and restricted cannot grow or flourish. Release your troubles and desires to the divine and trust in spirit to find the perfect solution in the perfect time. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.